outside, but still we can wear scarves and be so creative in how we do it. So I want to show you this look. So I put it around my neck and draped it with the two ends, typical fashion, but we're going to take it a step further. So now we have the scarf like this, and we're going to take the two ends and we're going to fold them in on each side. Just fold them in over the top and come down. So now these 2 points on this same side, we're just going to tie into a nice, easy square knot. Not tight, just kind of nice and relaxed. We're going to do the same on this side. Then we got to fluff it up, of course. So I like the way this lays, drapes really nice, just has a really fantastic feel to it. So give it a try. It's easy to do. I think you'll like it a lot.